Train your mind to think like a millionaire, because wealth starts with how you think, not what you have. Millionaire thinking is about clarity, discipline, and daily decisions that compound over time. The latest wealth skills focus on leveraging digital income, smart automation, and skills that pay you repeatedly, not just once. At the same time, true success demands balance. Health and wellness sharpen your focus, increase energy, and protect your most valuable asset, you. Personal growth builds confidence, resilience, and the mindset to attract opportunity instead of chasing it. In dating and social skills, success comes from self-awareness, communication, and authentic confidence. The more aligned you are internally, the more powerful your external results. Today, knowledge moves at the speed of a click. The latest instant downloads give you tools, strategies, and systems immediately. No waiting, no guesswork. Upgrade your mindset, elevate your skills, and design the life you deserve. Thank you, and have a successful day.